you know that you can live like a king in a big castle with only 4.38 million Canadian dollar on a 1-acre lot in Stouffville? This is Leo Shiu from Superstars Realty, and welcome to my new listing at 15 Pine Vista Avenue. Come inside and I'll show you how to live like a king. If you want to live like a king, first of all, you have to eat like a king. Let me show you this fabulous kitchen. This gourmet kitchen features a custom leather granite countertop, Darren Fisher designer kitchen, 60-inch Wolf dual fuel range with griddle, full-size panel sub-zero fridge, and a hidden hideaway pantry. Perfect place for hide and seek. A breakfast area that feels like a sunroom. A breathtaking 18-feet cathedral ceiling. All new Hunter Douglas plantation shutters and window coverings. A beautiful home gym on the mezzanine overlooking the backyard and the family room. 2 master en-suites on the main floor, very cozy and convenient. A 3-car heated garage with epoxy floor, new garage doors with side openers and high lift tracks. Outside of the garage, there's a massive driveway that can park 20 cars for a large house party. The backyard is a gardener's paradise. Big stone patio overlooking a heated saltwater swimming pool, hot tub, and powered cover. Huge cabana, and the whole yard comes with a new irrigation system. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tour at 15 Pine Vista Avenue in Stouffville. If you want to live like a king, please call me. This is Leo Shiu from Superstars Realty.